Tired of manually transferring your time tracking data? Let's unlock the power of Clockify's API to automate your workflow. First, we need your personal API key login to your Clockify account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page, where you can access your API key. Scroll down until you find the API section here. You'll see your API key. Click Show to reveal your key, and copy it. Remember, never share your API key publicly. Now that you have your API key, let's see how to use it. We will use this key to make requests to Clockify's API. Include your API key in the header of your HTTP requests to verify your identity and access data. Refer to Clockify's comprehensive API documentation to find the specific API endpoints you need, for example, to retrieve projects, users, or time entries. Upon sending your request, Clockify's API will return data in JSON format. This data can then be parsed and used in your other applications, and that's how you can use your API key to connect Clockify to other apps. Automate your workflow now.